Hi all, it's Kylie, and today I'm going to tell you why you should go rub a bunch of sugar all over your lips. No, I'm serious. These little beauties, and these guys, are totally going to change the way your lips look, feel, and taste. First up, lip scrubs. These are sugar-based scrubs that come in mint, berry, and vanilla flavors. All you do is take a little on your finger, put it on your lips, and scrub it around. What this is going to do is exfoliate your lips so they're all nice, smooth, and lickable. Yeah, lickable. Because that's what you do when you're done. So go ahead and lick it off. I mean, you could wash it off too, but I think we all know which one I'm gonna choose. Once you're done scrubbing, it's time to bring in the lip balm. These Beauty by Earth balms are beeswax based and come in a ton of flavors. Peppermint, vanilla, honey, Asian pear, pomegranate, green tea, acai berry, or no flavor at all. Whatever you're into. You do you. Just put some on after scrubbing to add a little softness and moisturization back to your lips. All these scrubs and balms are certified organic and use only natural flavors. Happy scrubbing!